Hook. Did you know that over 70% of creators struggle with choosing effective YouTube tags? Introduction. Using the right tags on YouTube is crucial for increasing video visibility and reaching a wider audience. Presentation of problem challenge. Many creators face challenges when selecting tags, leading to guesswork and confusion over what will work best for their content. Exploration development. To address this, we've developed a proven formula for selecting YouTube tags, breaking down the components, and providing effective strategies for using them. Climax or key moment. Take, for example, a creator who transformed their video reach by applying this tag strategy. By using the right tags, they saw a significant increase in views and engagement. Conclusion summary. It's clear that using a structured approach to tag selection is essential for better audience engagement and increased visibility. Call to action. CTA. Share your experiences with tag selection in the comments. And watch our next video on optimizing your YouTube content.